Hi everyone, welcome to Sweet White. Here I am going to show how to make mango pudding without gelatin. This is a simple recipe of mango pudding. This is also a layered mango pudding. Take 2 mangoes and make puree with blender. Take a pan and add puree into it. Switch on the flame and stir it. Next, add 1/4 cup of sugar. When the puree becomes little warm, you can switch off the flame. Add 1½ cup of fresh milk into a pan. Add 1/4 cup of sugar and 2 tablespoons of corn flour. Mix well. Switch on the flame and stir it on a low flame. Add half of the cooked mango puree and mix it. Stew 1 tablespoon of corn flour and 3 tablespoons of water. Add corn flour mix into the remaining puree. Switch on the flame and mix well. Stir it on a low flame. Take another bowl and beat ½ cup of whipping cream. Next, take a pudding bowl and add first layer of puree into it. Add mango puree into the next layer. Finally, decorate with whipped cream and cashew nuts. Take another bowl and add puree. Next layer we can add whipped cream. Finally, add mango puree and decorate with some cut mangoes. This is an easy recipe of mango pudding for kids. Also a yummy mango puree pudding. So that is for this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. See you all in next video. Thank you.